Assalamualaikum! Hi! It's your Ate Nerjessa and welcome sa ating panibagong video for today. So this video, I am super excited na i-share sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin kahapon. So, yesterday, I was scrolling through my email to check kung ano yung mga updates like that. And then suddenly, may nag-pop up ito. Sabi daw, I earned $29. Wala naman akong ginawa. Okay, hindi to a get-rich scheme. Okay, a get-rich quick scheme or ano. This is really true. Nangyari sa akin to kahapon lang. And I don't want to keep this. I don't want to gatekeep this with you guys. Kaya i-share ko kung paano to nangyari. Kaya stay tuned, watch the whole video para malaman nyo kung paano. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe para mas pa-inspire pa tayong gumawa ng mga helpful videos. So, backstory on how I earned this in a few seconds. Ganito yung nangyari. I made a digital product way back. Like, I think a year ago. Ginawa ko yung digital product and I posted it. Nilagay ko siya sa featured section ko sa LinkedIn. So, dito, i-share ko sa inyo kung how did I set it up and ano ba yung kailangan mong gawin to earn traffic. Kasi kahit na may digital product ka naman, kung walang traffic, hindi alam ng mga tao kung saan makikita yung product mo, ay hindi ka rin mag-earn. So, I will teach you paano i-set up and paano gumawa or maghanap ng traffic. Let's go! So, real talk muna tayo. Bago kayo gumawa ng any digital product, kailangan, you need to analyze first kung ano ba yung product na sa tingin nyo is mayroong bibili. So, let's say, isa kang content creator and then yung content mo is about plants, about indoor planting or hydroponics, mga ganon. Or let's say, isa kang nagdi-DIY ka sa bahay, so pwede kang gumawa ng mga videos or mga e-books na pwede mong mabenta. Okay? O di kaya naman, mahilig kang magluto, you like cooking, and you like experimenting with food. So, pwede kang gumawa ng mga cookbook or mga personalized na mga meal plans na maganda para sa mga nagda-diet. Or di kaya naman na isa kang graphic designer. Then, marami kang mga design or mga templates na nagawa mo na. So, yung gusto mong gawin is ibenta ito as templates. So, ito yung 2 steps na kailangan mong gawin para makastart kang mag-earn ng through digital products.
So, yung pinakaunang step is to set up your product on Gumroad. To do that, we need to create a Gumroad account. So, simply type in sa Google, Gumroad sign in. Para makagawa kayo, or no, sign up para makagawa kayo ng account. After that, you can log in yung functional na email nyo para makuha nyo yung authentication code na ibibigay ni Gumroad. Itong 2-factor authentication para hindi siya kaagad-agad nahahack yung account nyo. So, once na-receive nyo na yung authentication code through your email, you can start typing it to your account. And then, it will direct you to your personal Gumroad profile. Now, after nyo i-set up yan, you can go to the settings, add nyo yung profile picture nyo, name, and everything about you, and then you can start adding your products now. So, dito, shortcut ko lang siya. Let's go directly on how to set up the product. So, makikita nyo dito, what are the other products that you can sell aside sa mga, sa e-books, ganyan. You can also start selling memberships or mga tutorial, ganon. Okay, so, magbibigay tayo ng example dito. I'm going to create a sample product. Let's say ito yung product natin. And then, pagkatapos nyan, let's go to pricing. We just set up a price just to see kung ano yung mangyayari. So that you have an idea kung paano nyo siya i-set up. Then you click customize. So after nun, ito na siya. So I'm using my mobile to record on how you can set up. So medyo maliit siya. You just need to zoom it out. No, zoom it in, I mean, para mas, or full screen nyo siya para makita nyo lahat ng gagawin ko dito. Okay? So, as you can see, all you need to do is just upload yung mga files na ibibenta nyo, and then iset up nyo rin kung ano yung mukha ng product. You can use mock-ups sa Canva. There have a lot of mock-ups there that you can choose from para mas personalized siyang tignan at mas attractive siyang tingnan sa inyong mga customers. And then, ilalagay mo dyan sa product yung product description, and then sa content din, dyan mo na ilalagay yung mismong content ng iyong produkto or yung meat, kumbaga, ng produkto mo. Ilalagay mo dyan, let's say, let's say naka-course siya. So, pwede mong ilagay yung mga chapters dyan ng courses mo. Or, let's say naman, kung mga templates, pwede yung ilagay dyan yung per template para mas guided yung mga customers nyo. So, aside from that, what I like about Gumroad is meron siyang built-in email system that you can use for email campaigns. Kasi every time may mga taong nagda-download ng digital product nyo or mga lead magnets nyo, you can upsell yung other services or products in the future. Kasi yung mga emails nila is naka-register na dito sa inyong Gumroad. And aside from that, you can also customize yung mga buttons. Ilalagay nyo lang yung URL, and then makaka-create ka na ng button. So, sabi dito, kailangan daw lagyan ko muna ng product bago ko siya i-publish. So, yun, naglagay lang ako ng sample, and that is it. Ready na siyang i-share yung URL sa inyong mga social platforms kung saan kayo gumagawa ng content. So, after mong na-set up yung digital product mo sa yung stores, you may now start attracting traffic para madirect sila dun sa mga products mo. If you are using socials right now, let's say meron kang Instagram, you're very active on TikTok, or gumagawa ka ng mga YouTube Shorts, or kahit sa Facebook Reels, you can start creating content. So, when you're going to create content, hindi necessarily na sasabihin mo doon na oh, may benta akong ganito. You need to start educating your audience about the solutions you provide. Right? So, it's like an indirect way of selling is nag-educate ka. Kasi, pag na-educate mo yung mga audience mo, they would trust you. And they would likely to buy from you. So, yun lang. And that ends our video for today. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if you think this is helpful, don't hesitate to share this with others. Or kung may mga questions kayo, comment nyo para masagot natin. And next time is kayo naman ang mag-earn through digital products.